As the US presidential election officially begins today, Forex market may fluctuate wildly. In this video, I will share with you my recommendations and strategy for trading the unpredictable environment during the elections that I used successfully in 2016 and 2020. We'll discuss the real impact of US elections and study multiple real examples. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. With the constant flow of news, announcements, and promises, Forex market may become extremely volatile. During the election period, we tend seeing a lot of irrational short-term movements. Look at this chart. It is a euro-dollar currency pair on a daily time frame. And here I also have the average true range indicator, the indicator that measures the market volatility. And as the US presidential election started, the 3rd of November, you can see that we got a rapid spike of the market volatility. In such a wild sentiment, I recommend lowering the risk per every trade that you take. In normal times, if you are risking 1% of your trading account per trade, during the election period, risk 0.5% per trade. With the growing uncertainty among the results of the elections, mid-term and long-term predictions based on technical analysis may fail, and you may see a lot of false signals. Now let's study how gold acted during the US elections in 2020. After the official start of voting, you can see that we got a very strong bullish movement. And with a strong bullish movement, the market violated a significant daily horizontal resistance, leaving a strong bullish signal. But then you can see the market quickly dropped. So that signal here was completely false. And for swing traders, it could be a massive trap. For that reason, during the elections, I recommend to not swing trading and concentrate on day trading and scalping. During the election period, we may see the rumors, high-impact news, and early results being released during the weekend. It may make Forex and other markets open with the gaps. Look at all these huge gaps that formed on euro-dollar, dollar-yen, crude oil, euro-Aussie pair after the market opening, even before the start of US elections. Of course, during the official voting, we may see more such kind of gaps. For that reason, I strictly recommend closing all your trades before the market closes on weekend. So if you have any active trading position that you hold on Friday, make sure that you close it before the market closes on weekend. If you are a fundamental analysis trader, do not buy the promises. I'm constantly asked by the followers where gold will go if Trump or Harris wins. However, what matters the most is the real actions of the elected president, not his personality. The majority of the politicians tend to fail to deliver the campaign promises. For example, the statement that Trump will bring back the mining to the United States and endorse crypto sounds very promising for crypto market, but there's no guarantee at all that he will do it. For that reason, I recommend buying real actions, not just words. The US elections are also a period of black swans, the impactful events that have a very low chance of occurrence. The storm of the Capitol held the 6th of January 2021 was the perfect example of the black swan event that occurred after the US elections. And this event made the markets very volatile. And you can see that on euro-dollar, we saw a rapid increase in volatility that day. Similar unpredictable events have a high chance of occurrence during and after the elections. And if you just started trading and if you are still learning how to trade, I would recommend not trading the elections at all and just watch how the market reacts to them. It will help you to build a proper strategy for trading the next elections. Control your risks and be careful. I hope that my recommendations will help you to make rational decisions during the US elections. Let me know traders in the comment section if you have any questions. Also traders, don't miss my next free trading signal. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel now, the link in the description below. Also traders, please watch my other videos.